Hello everyone and a very good day, and today I'll be showing you on how to perform a fecal occult blood testing. So again, to start, this is all just a demonstration. What am I going to use is very homemade, but in this video I'll just give you the idea on how to do it. So it's pretty easy. So before performing this test, what you need to do is to explain what you're going to do to the patient, and then ask them to excrete. Alright, and then at that moment you need to give him or her some time of privacy, and then you come back, well, maybe an hour or two after that, or after he's done or she's done. Okay, what you can do now is that, so step one is to have your specimen. Alright, and this is just a plasticine, so it's not real feces. So this is just a demonstration yet again. Okay, so what you need is, don't use a ruler, use a wooden stick or wooden stick in order to take a few samples from the stool, from the patient's stool. But when you're provided with the specimen, as you can see here, please use not a ruler, but please use a wooden stick. Alright, don't use a ruler. This is just a very DIY presentation. Okay, and then all of this are really homemade. This is not the proper equipment, but I'll just give you the idea yet again. Okay, what you need to do is firstly to take a bit of the sample, alright, and then place it on and swab it on the testing material, and then take another sample from another part of a stool, you know, in order to get a different, or maybe a more better variable. Okay, as you can see, it's like this. Let me zoom it. Yeah, so it's like that. Alright, but do please remember, before you're doing all of this test, make sure you have to wash your hands and do proper hand sanitizing, right? Either with soap or whatnot. Okay, next, after having the sample onto the material, what you need to do is to get a home occult developing solution in order to investigate whether this patient has a problem with his internal digestive or the excretory system. So this would be the diagnosis on how the patient's condition is. So what you need to do is just drop onto the specimen, okay, for the developing solution, and then you closed it. Alright, it's supposed to have another segment over here, so you can open to see the result, but in this case there is no particular way for me to show it because there is any material to show on how to do it. But if it's a positive fecal occult blood for the test, it will show a bright blue color around the fecal area, and also if it's not, then the solution will just remain as a solution. It won't react with the particular feces. So that's how you conduct or perform the fecal occult blood testing. Thank you for watching.